That one's live. That one's live. We're live everywhere. We're live everywhere. Welcome. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. Your boy is back. It's a new year. Same old me. We're going to make some money today. Yes, I said money, not money. Smoney today. I'm jacked on the juice today, boys. It's time to full port, all in, make us some money. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. So trading does have risk, so be careful, people. But anyways, Happy New Year's to everybody. We brought the new year in together during the Traders Hangout. We were showing the fireworks. We were doing it all. And now we get to officially trade. The first trading day for 2026. Yo, I'm excited. I don't know about y'all, but your boy's excited over here. And we're going to get it done. Let me make sure our audio is sounding crispy. On the tube, we got the market makers in on the stream as well on the Zoom call. So we're going to be having some fun this morning. For everyone in the chats, how we feeling today? Are we feeling good? Are we up? Are we down? Are we all around today? Izzy is. Good morning, sir.
Happy New Year.
G, good morning.
Good morning, Duane. Happy New Year.
Good morning. Good morning.
Happy New Year as well, brother. Your boy's excited. I've been itching to trade, boys. I've been itching.
Let's start this day off right. Let's start making some money.
Yes, we're gonna make some money. We're gonna make some money today, people.
Start making less money.
Last night's stream, we had over 4,000 views on the stream. We're crushing it, people. We're crushing it. Ooh, that audio sounding crispy. Ooh. G, you guys say something real quick. I want to make sure we don't have no echo.
No, you sound good.
We still got a slight little echo. I gotta figure that out for the people on the Zoom.
No, there's no echo. You're fine over here.
Crypto, appreciate you, bro. Your boy's gonna be in Canada later this month. I'm visiting the best mod in the game for my YouTube streams. His name's Brett. He's my Canadian brother. Yeah, I'm going to Canada to visit him. So, Crip, stay locked in. Who knows? I may pop up on YouTube, brother. Be careful. We don't just stream online. We get offline and we visit people. Yo, I'm just excited. I'm excited. This year is going to be craziness. Yeah, I love every part of it. So we just had 2 bear flags print. Just so everyone knows in the chats, everything like that. We are currently above the VWAP. Let me look where the close was real quick here. I believe that's above us, if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe not. Actually, I'm talking too much. I need to put my lines on my trading view chart real quick for like the overnight high and the overnight low. I recommend everyone do that. Just saying. Just saying. All right, so the close, wow, okay, all the way down there at 434. Market came up during the overnight session last night. Pretty dramatic right there. We were streaming. I was watching it. I was watching it last night, but I wasn't trading it. So I wasn't really marking my charts, everything like that. But now we marking everything up. From, I would probably say about 7:10 this morning all the way, let's see, 7:10, 9:04, we were consolidating. So let's see what we get at market open. Your boy's waiting the first 15 minutes. I'm locked into my rules. I'm staying disciplined. It's 2026. We're going for 500K in payouts from prop firms this year. Only way to get there is staying locked in, people. Don't rush. There is no rush to trading. Wait for your move. When you see your move, execute. If you don't see your move, sit on your freaking hands.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's easy. It's easy, people, to click a button. It's easy. It's hard to wait for the move. Yeah, we may end up coming on downtown today because we got that close all the way down there at 434. 434 from Wednesday. So we gapped up a little bit here. So we may start coming on down, people.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Good.
Legacy, how we doing? Dylan, good morning, sir. Good morning, good morning. Who's going to the gym today? Who's getting healthy this year? I know I am. I'm trying to lose 15 pounds by the mid of next month. I gotta lose 15 pounds by mid of next month because I'm going back to Mexico. And your boy wants to be 15 pounds lighter. So I could go on the zip lines and stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm a wild man. The things I do for you guys, I'm trying to lose weight so I can zip line and show you all the zip lines. Hey, what's up, brother? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. We're just going to try making some money today. From my lips to God's ears. Hopefully the market makers are not watching the channel, except the market makers that are in the Legacy Wealth Society. They can always watch the stream with me. So we got 4 minutes here. Well, actually, 3 minutes. 3 minutes for market open. So hopefully you guys are ready. I'm expecting hopefully some volatility. Next week we do have news coming out. Let me pull up the news just so I can say what we got coming out next week. You ain't lying, bro. They know what we think. The market makers know what we think, bro. It's crazy. Good morning, Brett. Stay safe in the markets, people. No reason to rush today. So next week, on the 5th, we have news. On the 6th, we have news. On the 7th, we have news. On the 8th, we have news. On the 9th, we have news. So next week here, we got manufacturing PMI, 10 o'clock on. That should be Monday, if I'm not. Yeah, Monday. Tuesday, 9:45 news, S&P Global. Wednesday, ADP National Employment, the PMI, and JOLTS. 8:30 news on the 8th as well, initial jobs claim. So we got a lot of stuff coming out next week. So that's definitely going to help move the markets, people. And for all the new people who jump in here, welcome to the New York trading session with your one and only favorite person on YouTube. Appreciate you guys hanging out, tuning in with us. Last night's Traders Hangout, absolute beast. We did over 4.2 or 4,200 views last night on last night's stream. We averaged about 60-something people concurrent. Straight craziness. We're just getting started, people. Appreciate everyone locking in. We're going to make some money today, and that's all I know. That's all I know. We are above the VWAP. We are sitting close to this 21 EMA as well.
Mm-hmm.
If you're marking your charts, close from Wednesday, 434, 25,434. Put that on your chart. Be patient. Don't rush anything. You have an entire year to make money, people. There is no reason to be rushing. So let's just take our time. Let's be chill. I know we're all excited, but let's be chill. We're gonna make some money. Carmona, good morning, sir. You snuck in here.
Good morning. I was trading last night and I ended up green, and then it just consolidated like you said, and then I pulled out.
Hey, green is green. Green is green. So good job. Market's open, boys. Market's officially open. Ding, ding, ding. I need to get a little bell that I can click. So
market is open.
I'm waiting the first
Push it
15
right
minutes. Waiting the first 15 minutes. We did have a bull flag on that 2-minute, but I can't trade till 9:45. I'm not greenlit to trade yet. Why do I wait? Because right now, first 15 minutes, that's when the market's the most volatile. Why put yourself at more risk if you don't have to? Just saying. Smart decisions, people. Smart decisions today. Your boy is looking for a videographer and editor. So if you're an editor, if you're a videographer, if you do both, that's even better because I prefer to hire one person. Your boy's looking at putting someone on salary. So shoot me an email at build@legacywealthsociety.com. Legacywealthsociety.com. Send me your resume. Send me some of your work. Let's see if you'll be a good fit. You will be editing vlogs, talking head videos, and traveling on me. Because whenever I go see people in other countries, everything like that, I want to record it. I don't want to be holding the camera myself. And don't worry, I already got the equipment. I got 4K cameras, people. We got everything already. I just need somebody that's knows what they're doing. All right. So if that's you, shoot me an email. Preferably you're local in the Central Florida area.
What about South Florida?
I prefer Central Florida, bro, because I want to be able to have access. You know what I'm saying? Because this person will be with me a lot.
Okay.
So they gotta have the right vibe too. You know what I'm saying? Gotta have the right vibe because they will be around me, my family, a whole lot. Recorded. So yeah. All right, look at that momentum to the downside right there. Straight craziness. Thank God we're waiting the first 15 minutes today.
Yep.
Make sure you guys are liking the live streams.
Moose would have took that retrace down.
He would have. I'm surprised he's not in here yet. He said I was going to see him today. We almost touched the VWAP. We did not touch it though. Patience, people, patience. There is no rush to this. This weekend, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get me a timer that I could put on stream for the countdown of when I'm greenlit to trade. I'm gonna try adding something each week to the stream and make it a little bit better each week. All right, there's the VWAP tab. With the pushback down like that, right? We got the close from Wednesday, 434. I honestly, let me bring this down here because right here on this 5-minute, that's a bear flag, but I don't like these crazy wicks. I do not like the crazy wicks. I will say that. But look at all that selling pressure. So let's see what we get here. The battle's real right now. The battle is real. Who's going to win? That's the $1 million question.
Oh,
Somebody,
man.
listen. Where that job turkey?
What was that?
I said, where's that job turkey?
He's not in here. It's weird. He was on last night's stream for a little bit. I'm sure he'll jump on when he can, if he's able to. But hopefully everyone's having a good New Year so far. This is the year of production. You know what I'm saying? We're going to just produce money each and every day. All right, there's that bear flag trying to break here. I got 10 minutes before I could officially trade. So slightly disappointed, but it is what it is.
He did say it.
How we feeling, people? How we feeling on the YouTube stream? Everyone good? Stay safe in the markets, boys. No rush to this. No rush. ES is dumping. Well, let's see what we get on the Nasdaq here. I'll allow the Nasdaq to dump at 945. I'll allow it to give us a waterfall at 945. 945. Let's see. How big's our range so far for today? Not too crazy. It's pretty much like an 80-point range. Not too bad. Lots of selling pressure. Lots of selling pressure. But looking at that 5 minute, where's my mouse at? Oh, it's on this computer. Oh, there we go. We got these wicks. We got these wicks. So I want to see some momentum to overtake some of these wicks here, take us lower potentially. Even if we go higher, I just want strong momentum. I don't want to be chopping. It is the first official trading day for the New York session, but I want clean moves. Come on, market. Hold this price up. Hold this price up. Your boy want to make some money, so I want to be able to jump in on the move right at 945. We're through my yellow line on the 5 minute there. We're through the yellow line on the 5 minute. Tapping the VWAP as well. Oh, Nelly. VWAP's holding this price right now. VWAP is holding the price up. Come on, 9:45. I'm itchy. Actually, let me just click on this screen over here, so I'm not. Oh, all right. I got that quick little, those clicks out the way. I'm not as itchy anymore. AK, what's up, brother? Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets today. Come on. I only need 5 more minutes. I only need 5 more minutes. Market, don't do me like this. We do have a pivot point, thankfully, right at 624.75. 624.75 for the pivot point. So that way, even if we do come, hopefully we like build out another flag around that pivot to take us lower. BP did not sneak in. Good morning, sir. I rolled out of bed. I'm like, you know, BP's probably rolling out of bed right now as well. You know what I'm saying? Must be nice. Must be nice. For real. Now, everyone, BP's in the chat. We can officially mortgage our house on a trade. Full port. BP said full port today. That is a joke, people. Do not mortgage your house. Do not do anything crazy. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Not trying to get in trouble with different agencies. You know what I'm saying? I gotta throw that out there. Full Port Fridays. That Brett, that's a shirt. Listen, you guys were giving me some gems last night. I feel you on that. I hate being read going to a weekend. It's so annoying because you're just thinking about it the entire week. Up about 3 more minutes for me to be cleared to trade here. I'm excited. Legacy, make sure you're posting in the Legacy Fitness page, letting us know you're locked in. All you have to do is do something active. Quick 10-second video showing that you were active. This year, we're not only building wealth, we're also going to be healthy as well. Actually, you can't post videos. Interesting. I'll have to go and see because you guys are supposed to be able to post videos. So I'll see if it's a setting may need to get turned on. Thank you for letting me know, BP. Actually, I'll have one of you guys check because you have to post it where I posted the video. That's the feed for the videos. So I'll double check it, but we'll see. Exceed storage? No, like trust me, I pay for the highest package that they got. We'll see. Probably not a brain fart because I have been trying to get dialed in a little bit more. AK, what's the question, brother? I'm getting ready to get cleared in 30 seconds to be able to actually trade here. All right, here we go. All right, 945 just hit. The range is completed. In your opinion, what's better, Forex? I trade futures, so I can't tell you what's better with Forex. BP. Elijah, what's up? Good morning, everybody. All the new people sneaking in the back of the class today. I just got cleared to be able to officially trade since we hit 945 here. So now we're waiting for the move. I would probably prefer crypto over Forex or stock trading. But I trade the Nasdaq, so take it with a grain of salt. All right, let me officially put my mouse back over here so that way I can start doodling. So I can get ready for the move. Let me look at some other time frames here. Looking for the flag. That's what I'm currently waiting for. Looking for a flag. Got some momentum to the upside here, but want to see a flag. All right, we just broke out of the 15-minute range right there. Through the overnight high as well. Alrighty. All right, let's see if we get a pullback to the 15-minute range here, and then we continue out. We have a 5% chance that it's going to keep running without pulling back here. But we do have a lot of buying pressure. So today may be that day where we just keep on running. We're coming up to our first target as well. First target, 781, 781. Want to see a pullback to build out a bull flag. Your boy needs a bull flag here. Let's see if we get this flag. Come on, Bears. Go ahead, step in, give us a little pullback to build out a nice bull flag to take us higher. That was a hard little quick pullback the Bears just did right there. How they rejected the Bulls. The Bulls were trying to save it. I don't know what that was, but just made 850. Jesus. I closed at 1,000, got 850 on that. Let me wipe my forehead because, man, that pop, I was not expecting that hard pop like that. Closed at 1,000, got 850 on it. No complaints. No complaints on that one. Jesus. That was literally a quick click because the way that just did that, no, no, no. Not today, Satan. We're making money today. Let me rotate to the next account. And we keep this train moving, boys. That's a nice way to start the new year. Nice way to start the new year right there. First trade of the day, 850 profit. What time frame are you trading on? I use the 2-minute, the 5-minute, and then Renko bars. Looking for flags and momentum. And mind you, that was on only 2 contracts. If I was in at 4 contracts, would have been some more money. But I'm like, slow and steady. Slow and steady because me and BP, we take a $500,000 this year in payouts. Yep, NQ, brother. Nasdaq. We like putting lightning in a bottle over here. Alberto, I did not use order flow. No, sir. I use full flex, bear flex, and momentum. What would be the best prop firm to start with? There's 3. I'll give you 3 prop firms. You get to choose which one you want. Well, I'll give you 3. So Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, or Lucid Trading. If you're brand new to the prop game, maybe start with Lucid Trading because it's a one-time payment. There's no subscription or activation. So you pay one time, get like the 50K flex account. That'll put you in a solid firm, fast payouts, no daily payout. Look at that pullback to the 15-minute range. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. 150 away from 1K. Listen, BP, I know. I'm waiting to take another trade. I had to rotate. That account that I put that 850 in, that's ready for a payout. I got to work on 2 other accounts here today, see if I can get them for the payout as well. The market was moving kind of slow earlier this week, so I couldn't put the money in that I needed in some of these accounts, but we're working on it right now. So we have a strong pull down. I need another yellow line. Give me another yellow line. There we go. This is what I'm looking for. We break above the yellow line, I'll look for a long. If we break below the yellow line, I'm looking for a short. It's literally that simple, people. I'm just looking at the momentum on the Renko bars to confirm what direction the market's trying to go in. But we just had a strong red pull. So immediately I'm thinking, let's see if we can build out a bear flag. Yes, I said a bear flag. I got a surprise for y'all next week. I'm hoping they're ready at least by like Monday. By Monday. Your boy gonna be rocking some different swag next week. Yeah, I'm excited for it. I got some local shirt guys where they'll be able, some of the shirts I showed you guys yesterday, they'll be able to print me some. So that's all you're gonna see while we trading. You know what I'm saying? That's it. Mr. Dylan jumping on the Zoom. What's up, market maker? How you feeling today? Sounds really good. Sounds really good. Come on, market. Give us something here. I know you want to give us another play. We already made 850 in a simple click of 2 seconds. We want more. We do have some buying wicks down here, so that's why I moved my yellow line down. Because I don't want, it was too high up, so I did not want it to break through and then me get faked out for a short. So whenever you're not like, you want to be extra safe in the markets and you're doodling on your chart, just pull the line down just slightly to give it a little bit more run time until you actually need to get in. You know what I'm saying? Geeky. Well, for you, not good morning. It's like nighttime for you, I believe. It's the AM, early AM for you. We still have this selling pressure. Ooh, it's 10 p.m. Okay. Close enough to the AM. You know, you got 2 more hours. I was close. Come on, market. We're primed for a pullback here, boys. I can feel it. Breaking through my yellow line once again. I want to see the momentum showing us the waterfall here. I want the waterfall. I do not want to just jump in because we're right at the height of this 15-minute range. I don't want it to explode like a rocket to the upside here. So if you're just tuning in, we're green in one account so far. We rotated to the next funded account. I rotate all of my accounts. I do not continue trading just on one. That's awesome. Good job. Good job. Patience is key with this. I'm not going short yet. I refuse to go short. I have to see the full momentum to the downside here. I do not just want to jump in.
I see bull flags on that 5 minute.
For the bull flag, I'll draw it here. If it's going to be a bull flag. Yeah. We want to break the yellow line here. Because on the 5 minute, we have not built a bear flag. Well, I'm looking at the 2 minute as well. That's why I was like, we may be trying to do a little bear flag. Same on the 1 minute as well. But we're going to see. We're going to see what we get here. The high of this 15-minute range is holding us up right now. So it's either we're going to swipe it and go lower, or we may rocket ship up to the top. Either way, no flag, no trade. And you have to have momentum as well. Back into the 15-minute range. Now right above the 15-minute range. I'm not bearish or bullish. I just want momentum. That's it. When you pair momentum with the flags, it's a life hack, people. It's a life hack.
You're British. Make that money.
Yeah. Uncle,
Money.
good morning, sir. Oh, this bull flag looking like it's getting ready to pay. Unc, I got you in a second. I'm trying to execute another trade. So, Unc, did you win on the trade or you lost on the trade? Because I'm assuming you lost on the trade, but it was an A+ setup. You just have to look at your strategy, right? Because A+ setups should always win for you, right? Okay, you lost on it. It does happen. Like for me personally, I'm going to use me as the example. I'm looking for bull flags and bear flags. So if I see a bull flag or a bear flag and I lose on seeing the flag, right? And I lose on it, it would be because there was not the momentum. So something in there wasn't right. So for me, if I look for a bull flag and I'm like, oh yeah, it's a bull flag, and I just take a trade, but I don't have the momentum, I can end up losing. You know what I'm saying? So the whole thing is, when you do have a loss on a trade, remember, it's one loss. Walk away from your computer for a little bit. Come back to on Monday. There is no reason to let it fully mess you up mentally, only because you have to understand, every day we come to the markets, you have a clean slate. And honestly, you have to have amnesia to the market. So when you do have a loss, you just forget about it. That's easier said than done, but that's where you have to build yourself up to mentally, where on a losing day, a losing trade, you're able to come back and execute the next day without thinking about that bad trade. Because if you over leverage, like you said, how many contracts were you doing? How many contracts do you normally do? You know, there's a whole lot of small things in there that maybe you got excited first day in the markets for the New York session. You went full port. It happens to all of us sometimes in our lives. Listen, it does happen. No one's perfect, but the losses are going to happen. The whole goal is to win more than we lose, though. Like I myself, I'm an 82% win rate. I didn't say 100, I said 82. So that means what? I have losses. I have 18% of losses each and every day. So I can't let the losses affect me winning. And I don't want you allowing this one loss, don't know how big or small it was, to affect you. Because we get to come back. We get to fix it. But if you're not there mentally right now, my recommendation, just walk away. Don't try trading anymore. Since you already said you're frustrated, just walk away. Take a breather. Take your shoes off. Walk outside. Put your feet in the grass. You know what I'm saying? Get grounded. Woo-saw. That's what I had to do. Listen, even at an 82% win rate, I still hate losing on trades. Still hate it. Still hate it. There's that pullback. There was a reason why I wasn't just going long to go long.
A little pullback.
The fact that you locked out right away, that's perfect. Because that shows you're disciplined and that you know yourself. You're already moving in the right direction with the trading journey. You already knew you were frustrated. You locked yourself out. That's a win right there. You may have taken a loss on the trade, but you won the bigger battle, and that's the battle up here. So congrats. I'm still congratulating you. You're winning up here. You win up here before you win on the charts. Baby J, good job making that some money. Good job. I'm trying to make some more as well. I got you, bro. You're part of the legacy family. You're a market maker, sir. We're only going to make sure you go to the top. This high of this 15-minute range. Oof. Tons of support right here, but waiting for this short here. There we go. Breaking back into the 15-minute range. Coming up to this 21 EMA as well. Actually, I want to get through this 21, through the 21 with momentum to take a short here. It's all up top, people. It's all mental. This game of trading, it's all mental. So with that being said, master the battle between your ears, you'll master the charts. Have to know when to walk away, Izzy. Have to. So on this 5-minute, that's like we have a little trying to do a bear flag there. But we need some momentum. We need momentum here. Because we get through this 21 EMA, I'll be targeting the middle of the 15-minute range here. Come on, Betsy. Give daddy some more. $340 right there. I didn't like it's. We're still going to keep coming down. We got the VWAP below us, pulling us. But $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. Just cross over the $1,000 range. I'm just going to rotate. I need to put more in this account. But I'm like, we still have Monday. You know what I'm saying? We still have Monday. So take what the market gives us. I should have closed when I was at the 600 range. I got to work on me. I got to win the battle up here. I can't be greedy. Can't be greedy. Good morning, Russ. Good morning. Let me see which next funded account I'm switching to. All right, let's rotate. It's good to have some momentum again. We're actually getting a little bit better action today. I'm trading 2 contracts. I'm not trading my usual 4. Today's the first day of the new year for the New York session. No gambling. No gambling. We're waiting for our patterns with momentum, and we execute. I got a trained sniper right here. This sniper right here, woo, solid boy, solid. We're gonna help you get built up in the community, bro, for real. I want to see you win this year. And like I said, there's the middle of the 15-minute range. I should have stayed, but I'd rather lock in my profits. So I never feel bad if it does what I expect it to do, because it's all about locking in the profit. So we tap that VWAP. Oh, let me not hit the mic here. Getting ready to push through the VWAP. VWAP's at 682.50, 682.50. And as we continue to come down here, I'm gonna be looking for a bear flag. I need another flag. At this point, I need another flag. Let me drink some H2O. Man, right when I'm drinking the water, there we go. With all that good old momentum. Unc, I don't do the 5-minute orb, I do the 15. For me personally, Rinkos are a hack if you pair it with regular candlesticks. Like, see, I want to take another trade. Like, your boy wants to take another trade, but I can't. I need another flag. Yes, the momentum's definitely coming back down, but I need a flag to give me the warm and fuzzies. So hopefully the market makers just heard what I said and they help give your boy a flag right here to take us lower. And how dare you, sir, jump in here without saying good morning, Mr. Mitch. You snuck in here. You snuck in here today, market maker. Good morning, sir. Hopefully you're doing well.
What up? I'm still in bad trading on my phone.
What was that?
I said, what up? Good morning. I'm still in bad trading on my phone.
Man, what a rough life. I'm still in bed trading.
Bro, I just blew an account like a few minutes ago watching PW's trade, bro. Took off the TV from his desk and threw it on the ground. That's exactly how I felt after doing that account.
Well, listen, PW's an ace in the markets, right? He's an ace. Not going front. But if he used Rinko bars and he used some of my strategy, he'd be even more.
Yeah. Dude, I should have just held this trade. It got back up though on this account. I was down about $600 when we just got back up at 95. So if I kept holding, it would have been up even more. But hey, whatever. Yep, still.
Unc, it's group coaching. I do not do one-on-one coaching. It's not because of you guys, it's because of me. I personally feel like you learn more in a group than one-on-one.
I agree.
And it maximizes my time, so I'm not just having calls with each individual person. I could get with everybody all at once, because you may have a question that someone else didn't even think about, and it helps them. You feel me? So real quick, we just broke out the 15-minute range to the low side here, went through the pivot point. So now your boy wants a bear flag. I need a bear flag. I'm trying to make some more money today.
I need to make some more money today.
We're coming down to the first target. 591. I'm trying to figure out what's going to be the best time for all the market makers, profit takers, because they're all those plans for Legacy will have a weekly coaching call, group call. So I'm trying to figure out what day works best. I'm thinking a Monday or a Tuesday. Early in the week so you can learn and execute the rest of the week. Come on, Betsy. Give me a flag, man. This momentum's coming down, but I need a flag. There's my first target. That 591 just got swiped. No, I would. I'll do a poll in the community and see what day people would prefer.
we heading now? Are we heading down to?
We got the close from Wednesday, 434. 434. And the way this is aggressively coming down now.
We're gonna probably break through the Asian low, which is that 508 line, 509.
I just want a flag. I want to take it short, but I want a flag. I just don't want to go short just because of all the red on the screen. You know what I'm saying? Like, because believe it or not, I have sometimes taken a short and instantly got bought up when I wasn't looking at for flags. Yeah, this thing's. Did something come out? For all the new people in here, welcome. Sylvester, awesome, bro. Put it in the discussion in the community, bro. Love to see it. Love to see it, bro.
First thing you see, dropping, go down, go down.
Yeah, I'm gonna put I'm gonna put it in the discussion, a poll, and I'll do whatever the community wants to do. You feel me? Where did my music go? Where did my music go? Love to see community members winning. Love to see that. All right, finally the Bulls trying to step in somewhat here. Let's see if we get a flag. I already hit my goal. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. We already crushed that. Now it's time to add some more. I may have to go down to like the 1 minute here because, man, we did just have a bear flag print on the 1 minute. I may size down one contract on this one. BP, now you come, bro? That's crazy. So everyone can make $10,000. Straight craziness, BP. I can't believe you did us like that. You know, I may have to send you to the VIP room in the market maker. Just saying. Not cool, bro.
Great. We're past this account.
Awesome. Good job. Someone just passed their account. They're getting funded, boys. They're going to make that money. Oh. The only thing on my new sniper here, right? My new sniper. The wheel sometimes keeps going. And it makes the screen keep going as well. So I got to be careful sometimes.
This thing just melted down, huh?
It melted, Dylan. It melted. I just want a flag. Like, I did not catch the original melt, right? This beautiful waterfall we've had.
Yeah,
I did not catch it.
Dropping like Niagara Falls, that'd be great. Just keep going.
You know what I'm saying? Honestly, if we get through this pivot point down here, we got pivot sitting right at 526 area. We get through there. I honestly feel like we'll go to the close from Wednesday. That's just me. Just got another bear flag with momentum.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Just keep going. Lord have mercy.
I caught the very top of this dump, but I took profits at London low.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to say I was on last night when the Asian market started, and I was like, oh, it's gonna go down, and then I was like, hold up, let me look at the big picture. I'm like, wait, it's gonna go up, and bro, I could not believe it. It literally climbed all through the night.
Oh, it was all night, bro. I just took
night.
another short, 360 right there. Just trying to lock in profits. I'm trying to get my $4,500 payout. And I'm like, this is where I'm at, right? Like, this is what I'm thinking. Do I keep trading these accounts? I need 2 of them. I need to put more money in 2 of them. One's already primed for the payout, but I need to put more in 2 more. BP, technically speaking, yes, you are currently up. Good job, sir. I love to see everybody winning. And I love to see people overcoming the mental game of trading as well. We're down at this pivot point. We're down at this pivot. Let's see if we get a flag down here to take us lower. I'll be all for it.
Keep going. For the love of God, keep going.
For the love of it. Have a good night, brother. See you tonight.
I was locked in that profit at 9:30 on that, so I'll wait for another opportunity to get back in. This motherfucker.
All right, just put another 300 and some change right there.
Yo, I just made a band right there.
Let's go.
Gang, put it in the discussion, boys. I don't believe it till I see it.
No, on Lucid.
1,000 made.
Lucid Trader.
Day keeps the bills away. Yes, sir. We're over 1,000 a day. We're like 1,600 right now, and we're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it going. Let me rotate back to one of my other accounts that I need to put some more money in. We wait for the move. And that's it. Like I said, I feel like we're going to come down in touch. At least do the gap fill for the close from Wednesday. We just hit the third target. My 4th target on my screen just got populated up, just got pulled away. So I'm gonna have to wait till we come back down. 447 to 75. That's the next target. Mellow, I'm not sure. Probably never. I got a small head on brolic shoulders. Your mom loved it.
At what point do I size up contracts and take it to the next level here?
What size are you currently trading?
I've been trading one contract for a hot minute.
Okay. Question for you. How consistent are you winning on the one contract?
Say it's a 50-50 split.
I can't tell you exactly what to do, right?
Right.
But if I would say if you had a little bit more of a win rate, higher than 50%, then I would say just size up slightly. Like for me, like right now, I'm only trading 2 contracts.
Right.
I normally, when the market's like on the really good days that I like, I trade 4 contracts. But today's the first day of the year for the New York session. I wasn't trying to go all in. I want to see what the market was trying to do today.
When I was paper trading, I was using more contracts off just to get the feel for it. I had a very good win rate last paper trading.
Yeah.
And I move over to here, it's just single contracts. Now, there are days that I tried doing multiple contracts, and it did really well.
What's your normal, where are you normally willing to lose on a trade?
What am I willing to lose?
Yeah.
500.
Okay. Because if at the 500 mark, right? If that's how much you're willing to lose on a trade, you can size up a little bit, see how you feel with it. It just makes that 500 get shorter.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? For the move.
And that's what I've noticed too. Because when I was before for the single contract, I was like, oh, we can do this, and it gave me some, some room for it to retrace, for it to go back to whatever. But then when I doubled up, I was like, oh, heck no. I was like, this is a little too close for me.
We're melting. We're still coming down here. The fourth target, we passed right through the third target. Fourth target's 447.75. 447.75. On this 1 minute, we did get a small little bear flag right here. I like flags on the higher time frames. That's just me personally. I see the flags on the 1 minute. I like them on the 2 minute or the 5 minute more. But flags and momentum, that's it, people. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's see if we build a bear flag right here. I would not complain about that. But back to you, Mitch. The reason why sometimes I don't trade 4 contracts, right? Depending on how the market's moving, just having that little extra wiggle room that you could be in drawdown without really like hitting your stop loss helps. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
If the market tries pulling back on you slightly, everything like that.
Yeah.
So I've actually enjoyed trading the two contracts lately because when the market was super slow, I didn't have to worry as much about having to click the button as quick.
Right.
Tons of selling pressure. Looking at this 2 minute, we got that nasty wick. People know from the stream last night, that nasty wick right there, letting us know it's about to be on and popping. Tonight, we got the traders hanging out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to vibe up. We're going to chill. We're going to laugh. We're going to talk about trading, life, and everything in between. So make sure you guys tune in. Last night, we had over 4,000 viewers last night on the stream. Straight craziness. So make sure you guys come out to vibe with your boy in the Legacy Wealth Society. Just waiting. Right now, these wrinkle bars, they're too tight for me. I want to see more momentum to the downside here to take a short. Getting ready to break into that yellow line I put on the 2 minute chart.
I'm going to try it out with you this morning. See how it goes.
You're sizing up or no?
Yeah, I just sized up the 2.
Wait to execute. Wait to execute.
Yeah, I'm definitely waiting. I'm definitely waiting.
Right now, we're slightly consolidating. I want to see the bears step in.
I'm not trying to get chopped up this morning.
Yep. Especially on Friday. It's never fun on a Friday.
Never.
Getting chopped. Because then Saturday and Sunday, you're like, man, I got chopped on Friday.
You're sitting there in misery, just like loafing in your kitty.
For all the market makers, how we doing today? For all the other market makers in here, how we doing? We up, we down, we all around. What's going on, people?
I am up 1289.
Jesus! He's a printing machine from his bed, people.
Legend. Well, that's coming from a blown account. I just want to advise that. That's coming from a blown account. Literally this morning, blew one, hopped over to the other, and we're up. So, it looks nice. But thank you, guys. I'll send the screenshot in the chat just to...
Awesome. Put it in that community discussion. BP's in here trying to sneak in without saying good morning. Crazy.
Good morning.
And
I just don't like to make a big entrance, that's all.
What was that, Thomas?
I said, I just don't like to make a big entrance, that's all.
You have to. You gotta like throw something up against the wall and say, I'm here.
Yeah, let me just get like a firecracker from earlier. Yesterday, the day before.
Right now, waiting for this flag to break through the yellow line with momentum so I can take another short. Because I'm gonna have to, if I can't get two of these accounts some more money in them, I'm gonna have to wait. I could take a payout on one account, but I'm trying to take a payout on all three at once. You know what I'm saying? So what do you guys recommend? Just do the one payout or wait to get all three at the same time? That's the question for the market makers there.
That's a good question. I mean, I don't have multiple accounts like that, like on multiple firms. So like, I just have my one on TPT and then one on Top Step. So I usually just take it when I can. So if I mean, you could just take it, and then whenever you get your next one, like you can get like a payout for like next week, and then maybe you can get another payout on like the third week. Just keep it kind of consistent. Like you use one account payout this week, one account payout the next week, and one account the next week. You could do it like that too, or you could just save it all up and do one big one like you want.
Valid. That's a smart move as well. I agree.
Well, this was my original plan, right? My original plan was I was hoping the market earlier this week was going to move a little bit more, to be real, because I wanted to take a payout from all three accounts, $4,500 today. So then on Monday, everything's reset, and I put money in it and then take a payout next Friday as well.
Valid.
Just so that way it's the Friday cycle for all three at the same time. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
So that way, because I'm going for $500,000 this year in payouts, boys. That's the goal. That's what I'm shooting for this year.
If you were to do group trading, like copy trading, whatever, and then you do it that way, take out from all the accounts all at once, you could do that.
Yeah, right now, like BP Mitch, I'm a copy trade like in February. Right now, I'm just doing me right now. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Because me doing me is working.
That's all you gotta do.
Not trying to mess up what I'm already doing, because for me, the issue with me copy trading, right? I don't know if it's because like when I copy trade, I be copy trading on Trade Evade because they have the best built-in copy trader that I've seen so far, where whenever I see the big number, even though that's not on all the accounts, that's the total of all the accounts. Oh God, I start itching. I need to close. I need to close if I took a bad trade. When it's saying like $6,000 in drawdown, I'm like, Jesus, what is this? Bro, is this a demo? No, sir. Trading funded account. Funded account, sir. You don't get paid in demo account. Just saying. Izzy, what firm do you have? Do you have Tradeify, Take Profit, or Lucid? Which one? Because I'll tell you how it works. Pretty much the same for all of them. So with Tradeify and Lucid, you got to trade in your funded account for a minimum of 5 days per payout cycle. You have to make, okay, Tradeify, cool. So I'm trading the growth account. So most of you guys that have Tradeify are trading the select account. So for me, it's slightly different. I had to trade for a full 5 days. And I had to have $3,000 in the account to request the payout per account. So if you're trading the select account, they went away with that. You could take a payout every 5 days or daily, depending upon if you do the daily or the select plan, where that's the 5 days with no like minimum of how much you put in the account. So I am working. I'll probably actually just switch over to work on one of my select 150K accounts, get that one passed. Because that one, I already have $5,000. I need to put $4,000 more in it. Because that one I'm probably going to do daily payouts on. So if I make $2,000 in a day, then I can request $1,000 because you can take 50% per payout. if you're doing the daily, 50% in your select side as well, but you have to trade for a minimum of 5 days, and you can take higher payouts with that. So I'm actually going to rotate because think about that select account. We're about YOLO a little bit. Listen, I'm done trading my fundeds. I made over. Let me, just so I give the correct stats here. Let me pull my trading journal up. Where's Tradeify? There we go. Love to see it. Refreshing.
Man, trade down on the bottom this session right here.
Okay, today, 1824 I made today. Not too shabby. 4 trades, 4 wins. Can't beat that. Never in drawdown. So, not too bad for the day. Not too bad there. First day of the year, putting $1,800 in your some funded accounts. No complaints from me. Let's see. I'm gonna size up on this account as well. I'll do the full 4 contracts. I may jump it up a little bit higher. You know what I'm saying? Take me higher.
Are we bullish right now?
Right now,
I do want to point out though that we did take out Asia Low on ES, but not on NQ.
copy. Thank you for that update, Thomas.
Yes,
I
sir.
love your mic too. It sounds like you're like one of a captain on a plane. I just want to let everybody know that.
That's what I was saying yesterday when we were on. Well, 2 days ago, really.
That's hilarious.
It's crispy, bro. It's crispy. I love it. I love it.
Thank you. I actually have a better microphone. I just don't use it.
Oh, I'm sorry, BP. I have a better microphone. I just don't use it for you peasants. That's what I just heard him say.
That's what I heard too.
That's actually funny.
Oh man, for all the people, let me come over here to the chat here. For all the people in chat, listen, your boy is trying to hire a videographer / editor, salaried position. So if that's you, if you're looking to make some money in the markets and travel for free with me and my family, send me an email at build@legacywealthsociety.com. Give me some links of your work, everything like that. We'll chat and we'll see if we can get you on the salary, bro. We're trying.
I'm right here.
Well, Mitch, I know you don't live out here.
I can travel.
I can travel. Okay, we'll talk then. We'll talk.
I traveled all since July, August, September, October, November, December. I was on a plane and not driving to a different state for different projects.
Well, and that's why, because I did look at your IG, you know what I'm saying? Solid stuff on there, bro. Real talk, solid stuff. I wasn't trying to disrespect you because I have a buddy as well, straight baller in the industry for editing and videographer stuff. He produces for a lot of the Latin artists, their tours. He's the head of the film team in editing. So all of his stuff has over like 15 million views on YouTube and stuff. Just straight crazy. Because I hit him like, yo, are you still on tour? I need you. He's like, my tour dates are set, but I can freelance. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So I wasn't trying to disrespect him because his prices that he gives me, he don't give to other people. I'll tell you that right now.
Valid.
Like me and him, we've known each other while he was building up his portfolio back in the day. He did videos for my security company when I first opened.
That's dope.
So we've been around each other for a very long time where he wants to freelance. And like, same with you, Mitch. You're traveling the world. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to disrespect you because I know you got other clients out there. You know what I'm saying? Doing everything. I'm trying to pay someone this year 10 grand a month to be full time. You know what I'm saying? That's the goal. That's my plan.
But hey, if it works, it works. If it don't, that's okay. We on here right now printing cash, so regardless.
But we'll definitely talk because I can still shoot because I can do this 2 ways. You know what I'm saying? I can do this 2 ways. One, I can shoot the content myself and I just need a solid editor. You know what I'm saying? Because I hate editing. I hate it with a passion. I do it, but I hate it with a passion because I don't want to have to use my mental bandwidth to learn it. You know what I'm saying?
That's me with weddings, bro.
Like, not trying to have to learn it. So for me, anybody's better than my editing. I know that for a fact. I do the minimum edits as possible. That's why I try shooting them one takes, so I don't have to edit as much.
That's right. I don't blame you.
But no, we'll definitely talk because if you want to just edit some vids, I'm good with that as well.
Yeah.
But the goal is getting someone on salary full time in Central Florida area, so we could go to the gym, pump weight, lifting, recording, the whole shebang. I'm going all in, people. Your boy's all in this year on everything. Yes, everything. All right, leave me alone.
Next thing we know, you're gonna be doing like IRL streams mixed into trading streams.
That's what I want to do.
Oh, there you go. Perfect.
BP, I'm all in. I'm literally this year. I'm getting the backpack build.
On total side note, are we like on a bullish front here? Because like I should have asked like way back when.
So
Let's see.
it-
My bad.
it just
I was
do
talking
the
too much, people.
AEM setup, where it retested that first initial flip for value gap.
Mm-hmm.
If you're on the 1 minute chart looking at NQ, it formed at 1022. That would be the inversal gap. If you entered on the first green close, that would be your PRR setup. And then if you entered on the retest of that gap, that would be your AEM setup. And so right now, this would have already hit your partial, and then this is basically just like a runner at this point. But you would basically just be doing like a strong trail for this type of trading.
Right.
So I'm sorry to hear that. Did you over leverage? Because that happens to a lot of traders, right? You get close, you get right there on the finish line, and then you have a bad trade, and then you don't close out. So as one, we got to work on our discipline. Let's make sure we're close early in the loss so you can protect your capital. And two, let's size down when we get closer and closer to the finish line. So that way, if we do have a bad trade, we don't have to make up as much. You know what I'm saying? Because listen, I was right there for a payout one time. Literally, I need like $50, $50. I go in 4 contracts deep. Your boy was upset because I literally went from $50 away from, I think at that one it was a $2,000 payout to like being like down, like almost like $1,500, $2,000. I was so annoyed with myself, so annoyed, and that was like on a Friday too. That's the worst part about it. I had lived with that for a whole weekend.
That's a lifetime.
Well, for everyone tuning in tonight, we got the Traders Hangout tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to vibe. We're going to talk about the new year. We're going to talk about the markets and everything in between. So make sure you guys come and hang out with me tonight. We're going to have probably another like 4,000, 5,000 views on tonight's stream. So you definitely want to show up. And we may be doing a giveaway for tonight's stream. So the whole thing, right? Whenever you take an L like that, listen, you got to have amnesia. You know what I'm saying? You can't let it affect you. Walk away, come back the next day. Walking away will save you so much money. That's what I learned for myself. If I have like a bad trading day, which I haven't had quite a while, I will say, but when it happens, I simply just walk away. And if I'm not there mentally up here, say I get pissed off for something in one of my businesses offline and it messes me up here, I'll say I'm not trading today. I'll come on stream and be like, okay, I'll probably be getting off at 10 o'clock because I'm not here today mentally. You have to know yourself to know when it's time to execute and when to walk away. And sometimes it's just better to walk away, just being real. Looking for a bull flag here. Looking for a bull flag. so I could go long, 4 contracts deep. This is an eval. I will say this is an eval. I'm done trading my funded accounts. We only made $1,800 today in the funded accounts. What was that?
I go only.
Only, yes. I said only because I'm trying to get back to my 3K days.
Oh damn.
But the
Okay,
market
that's right there.
towards the end of the year, right, was slowing down, so I wasn't pushing.
I'm trying to be on that level.
Honestly, I did take one long off of this, like basically this AEM setup.
Dang, he went in without us.
You didn't tell us. That's crazy.
I'll see you guys
said
tomorrow.
that
I'll see you on Monday. BP just made me mad.
I said that we took Asia low, and there was that possible PRR.
You gotta be a little more clear. Hey guys, let's hop in on this trade.
This is what we're going to do moving forward. I'm going to come up with the code just for the Legacy family. And whenever you say the code, that means we're all getting in.
Yeah, you gotta have a code for long and a code for short.
Okay, pizza's the code for long. Anyone want some pizza today? Go long. And we'll say strawberries for shorts. You know what I'm saying? Who wants some strawberry shortcake? That means everyone sell.
You're right. That's right. That's cool.
That's a joke, people watching the stream. Do not listen to us right now. We're joking around.
Hey, pizza, guys. Pizza, fellas.
People on the YouTube stream is going to be like, huh? Who's eating pizza? What? It's 10 o'clock in the morning.
Strawberries, man. What the heck?
Hey, and if I'm late over there, I'll be like, strawberries, huh?
He just shows up, like, just pops in the stream just immediately. First thing it says is just strawberry.
We're joking around for the YouTubers stream. We're just joking around, people. We're not serious. Because if I say pizza, it's probably because I'm getting ready to eat pizza after the stream. It's not because we're going long. I promise you.
We're gonna be sounding like the seagulls from Finding Nemo.
All right, so we're getting some slight momentum here. We're trying to break through my yellow line. We did break through, but I need better momentum to the upside here. 1850, yes sir, Brett. 1850, that fitted piece. Because what I'm slightly nervous about, right? Looking at this 5 minute, this could be one big bear flag right here on the 5.
Yeah, it could just be like an impulsive pullback.
Generally, that's what I've been waiting for.
Could be like, just a strong reaction off the initial sweep.
So that's why I'm like not overly bullish, because it's looking to my eyes, to my naked eye, like we may be trying to do a bear flag on the 5 minute. Yeah, I'm not trying to go long when we going short. Strawberries. Right. I meant. Hold on. What did I say? I don't remember.
Pizza long, strawberry short.
You know, strawberry shortcake. It just makes sense. It just makes sense. Forgot we had that pivot down there. Because I did not have this chart pulled all the way up on my second computer here. So let's see if I could get out of this trade in the green. All right, closed out. We got that pivot point coming up. I want to wait to get through that pivot.
Solid 200 or 60 bucks, I think, or what that was.
Yeah, 200.
Almost light, you know.
Hey, paying some bills. Not really. This is an eval. So the 1,800 we paid bills with. This $200, this is play money.
I need this to pay bills once I pass this, thing here.
But I got out, people. I got out because we had the pivot. I did not want to stay in. around that pivot, and there we go.
Look at what it's doing.
Oh, gee, you don't have to tell me. I see it.
I think it's a nice inversion down.
Not too far though.
I'm waiting for it to get it re-enter here.
I'll just say it. We just need another 13-13 to break the eval.
Honestly, at this point, I'm gonna wait to get through the yellow line. You know, I'm gonna be called. Even in this eval, you know what I'm saying? I'm treating evals this year with respect.
Valid.
I'm not treating like a YOLO. I'm staying true to the strategy.
I'm not trying to pay Lucid any more money to reset this dang account.
Exactly. The whole goal is to make more than what you pay.
Facts. So far, that has not happened.
There's the yellow line.
Maybe yes, or NQ's finally gonna come take its Asia low.
Well, I'm in. So, from your lips to God's ears.
So I'm waiting for it to take that Asian low, and I'm looking for a long to the upside.
Where's the Asian low? I'm not looking.
It's
513.
Okay.
Is it 513? Mine says 447.
Oh, whoa. Oh, are we talking like where it started? Where Asia
There we go.
There it is.
There we go. $2,500 trade right there. A 10
Damn!
hunt.
Yo!
A 10 hunt.
W.
That's awesome, Duane. Dang.
Coming down to the gap. I said this earlier, right? As soon as we started coming down, I'm like, man, lots of selling pressure. We got the close from Wednesday, 434. We're coming closer and closer to it. But nice, quick little 2,500, something light, clicking a button, craziness. You see BP in them. You guys joined when the markets were slow. You didn't see me put in work for earlier in the year. Now y'all gonna see me. You saw when we were just 300 here, 400 there. No, now you're gonna see me get paid.
That's the way we want to see it.
I'm just having fun. I'm excited, guys. This year is going to be a great year for all of us. We're all moving in the same direction, which is really awesome to say. That we're all moving and striving to truly succeed at trading and win in life. And there's no other place I'd rather be. I truly enjoy hanging out with you guys for the night sessions, trading with you guys in the mornings as well. I love this. Not going front. I love this.
Duane, don't make me cry here, Duane.
Facts, bro. I'm already tearing up.
Listen, I ain't trying to make nobody cry. You know what I'm saying? Not trying to make nobody cry. I'm just real with myself. Like, I truly feel with the connections we're all making, with building legacy, right? I truly feel fulfilled. And that's hard. A lot of people can never truly say that. Because you can ask my girl. I've always been looking for something to do that was bigger than myself. And the fact that I found this and I'm able to help people win and actually secure real freedom, that does something to you. You know what I'm saying? It gets you excited. That's why I could go to bed late, wake up early. I'm excited to be up because I want to see y'all win. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm excited for all of us. Big year for us. Big year.
Facts. I just want to say that I'm very thankful to be a part of this group because for the longest time I've been wanting a group that I can connect with, to have friends with in the group, but also just be able to truly grow and not just be a part of another group that like, oh yeah, we trade, but we don't have any deeper connection.
Mm-hmm.
I'm definitely not a person about surface level connection. I absolutely hate it, honestly.
Yeah.
So this is something that I personally am very thankful for, and I'm glad that that guy just let me truly go on YouTube that one night and hop on your random stream that I saw. I was like, oh, let me just check this out, and here we are.
Yep. Horrible thumbnail and all. You clicked it. Appreciate you.
Yeah, it was alright, you know.
No, like, and that's why for me, like, when I was trying to learn how to trade and put my strategy together, I'm like, dang, this is extremely lonely. Like, because if you don't have friends and people that are trading as well, you got nobody to talk to. And for the average person trying to first learn how to trade, you got nobody actually trading around whatsoever. So for me, I'm like, if I felt lonely, I know there's other people in the world that feel the same way about this journey. Because like you said, you don't want the surface level relationship, because you can jump in a free Discord and people are posting, but that's all it is. And it's not really pushing you to become better. It doesn't keep you accountable. We're a legacy. We're here to keep each other accountable. So if I take a bad trade, I want y'all to be like, yo, you didn't follow your rules, D. Why you just jump in? That's the type of relationship that I'm trying to build with you guys, where we can all check each other. Because at the end of the day, by us checking each other, that's how we get to the promised land. That's how we get to the victory. Because if you never have someone that checks you, you'll just keep doing the dumbness. Keep it a whole bug. Coming down here, we're coming down to this close from Wednesday. I don't know who said we're coming down here. Oh, there we go. Jesus. Look at that push right through it. Jesus, people. The market's melting. The market is melting.
Man,
So let's see if we get another bear flag. You know what I'm saying? Like just a little flag. So I guess I'm glad I hesitated with going long earlier, pizza. And we waited for the short.
Yeah. Strawberry for sure.
Solid strawberries in the chat. And we're still coming down here. Jesus, we broke through three. Yo, we're honestly, I feel like we're going to hit 24. Maybe not today. 24,000 is on the table. 24,900s are on the table.
I need another strawberry.
I need another strawberry.
A big one. Actually, not that big of one. Not that I'm doing double contracts, but you know. Music's a vibe this morning. Music's a vibe.
Brett, have a good night. Oh, well, have a good day, brother. We'll see you tonight. Nothing but love, brother. Nothing but love.
Take care, Brett. See ya.
Actually, after this stream, I gotta get dressed. I gotta go meet with some of my managers because today's payday. People want to get paid today. I don't know why people want to get paid for working, right? Straight craziness.
Imagine.
So, gotta link up with them. Maybe check on a couple officers. And then come back tonight. We gonna party tonight. I did not get the feel that I actually wanted there, but
Yeah, this PRR setup would have been crazy.
come on, Betsy, give me some more. Give Daddy some more.
Oh my god.
I need more.
That's crazy.
What happened?
I was just laughing at what he said.
All right, let me see how much I actually needed on this account because I may have passed it.
That's a good day right there.
Before I keep trading it. Actually, no, I did not pass it yet. I'm at 57,000. I need 9,000. So we're gonna keep it moving. Got some consolidation right there.
What?
We're stair stepping down here. We're stair stepping down.
Oh, I took that. Let's go. 740. 740.
We're all winning here, people.
Dude,
Crazy.
Dude. Oh my God.
God dang.
Be out here winning today.
Why
Only
you
way to do it.
dumping-
Only
why
way
you
to do it,
dumping money
people.
like that?
Damn. Hey boys, we only need 640 to pass.
I need like a little bit over 1,000, and I'll pass this eval right here. 150K eval.
This is a miracle right now, man. Oh, thank the Lord.
What? No cap.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, Betsy. Take daddy lower. Take daddy lower. Let's go. Give it to me. You know you want to give me more.
Yo, crazy numbers.
Come on, Betsy.
Still going? How much you at right now, Duane?
Yo.
Not enough. Not enough, G. We're trying to make some money.
Oh my God.
Let's go, people. Come on, Betsy. Give me one more stair step down. One more. Come on, baby. Come on, Betsy.
Move it to past 3 accounts.
Yeah, that took me out, bro.
We got a slight little pullback. Let me get out of this trade in the green here.
Get out of green.
Damn. I'd have took that back there.
Oh.
I closed out. I think I just scratched on that trade right there. Oh, and now we keep going lower.
Yeah,
We're at this
the
pivot
worst. Yeah,
point.
the worst right
We're
there.
at this pivot point. Let me see how much I actually need because I may have lost a couple dollars on that one. Still pretty much at the same amount. I should have closed. I should have not been greedy right there. Should have not been greedy.
Crazy, man.
But we look for another bear flag and we execute. That's
Bro,
it,
we about
people.
to be just raking it in today.
What?
This is what we do, people.
Yeah.
Y'all came to the party when it was slow. Listen, when I got volume, we print money. Literally, we print money when we got volume.
It's that Friday selling. Everyone's trying to make some money.
Ian, what's up? Good morning. Let's get through this pivot point. I want to get through this pivot, and your boy's going strawberry. Let me stop doing that because people are actually going to be waiting for a strawberry and pizza signal. Like,
I was waiting for some clear movement here. But, buffering.
Might get the reversal here, no?
I will. If we get a reversal, I want to see more bottom wicks on the Renko bars to let me know that the buyers are finally stepping back in.
It's right at that 1 hour order block that started that whole move up to the
Yeah.
candle, so I think some buyers are gonna buy in, step in.
Hey, if they do, we're here for it. We are all for it today.
Bro, we like some multiples.
It don't matter what direction we go. We getting paid, people.
Facts. Trying to be like the verse from Nemo. Mine. All the way up. All the way down.
Bye.
All right, let's make sure we're not going to be building a flag right here.
Nah, I just go back up. Son, I'm ready now.
Looks like we're getting another flag potential
Bring it down.
above this 6 target, above this target number 6 we had. We got to get through this 6, the 6 target here to go lower. So there we go. We're below that target now. There we go.
Man, bro, that's
There we go. Done. $4,800.
Dang.
Show me this money.
Dang.
Show me this money, boys.
Money, man.
There we go. Done. Clocking out for the day. We're done clicking buttons. We're done clicking buttons today. I'm just gonna sit back now and relax.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Duane.
What are they doing?
Welcome to the party, boys. Listen, this stream is going to be the biggest stream on YouTube and globally. Just wait for it.
Did you just
freaking
pass,
wait for it, boys.
150K account or something?
What's that?
I said, did you just pass like 150K?
Yeah.
Damn.
Congrats, bro.
That's awesome. Well done.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Like I said, when I got volume, I'm a sniper in the market.
Is it still going lower?
Like I said earlier, we're at least going to come down and fill that gap fill, which we did for the close. 434 was Friday. I keep saying Friday. Today's Friday, Duane. Come on, get it together. Wednesday.
Yeah, market close.
So I honestly feel like we're probably 24,000. The 24,000 number, not even, but 24,999 is up for grabs. Yeah, I've been feeling this way since like November. Like, keep it a whole buck with y'all. Like, I've been just like in my gut, I've been like, yeah, we're pushing up right now, but I'm not going to stay long. Not for long, at least. Yeah, hey, if we push up, I'm fine with that. We make money up and down. Does not matter what direction we're moving in. We print simple money with the strategy.
This is the second closest time I've come to passing an eval.
And you know what? I'm not done for the day. Let me switch. I got other accounts I just haven't traded in forever. Let's just keep this party going. And my issue, this is one of my issues, right? I have not been trading some of these other growth accounts. Like I'm maxed out with my 5 fundeds already with Tradeify. But I have a lot of like growth accounts just on standby, just in case I blow something that I have not traded. So let me get some of these other ones just dialed up here. Looking like a bear flag, just so everyone knows, looking like a bear flag. Let's get below this pivot point, below the pivot. Target, our 7th target for the day from the opening range, 304. 304 is the target. Awesome. My Kenyan brother, what's up, man? Glad you came back. What time is it your time? Actually, no. I'm not going to. I could take another trade, but I'm like, do I even try? Because I batted 100 today across the board.
Yeah, you did good today. Might as well just relax.
You're right. See, that's why I like you, Mitch. Like, he said, just relax, Duane. Take a load off. Just vibe with us a little bit.
As coach would say, take a seat on the bench. You did your job. Put the other players in the field, and hopefully you will.
709. Okay. You're ahead of. Yeah, wow. You are ahead of me. That's for sure.
Holy crap. Alright, we are on 2005 today.
All right. We're back below our 6th target here. We get through the yellow line. It's a short all day long. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only.
Strawberry.
And so the strawberry begins. I'm gonna get a shirt with a strawberry on it, and people are gonna be like, "Huh? Why this big dude got a strawberry on his shirt?" If you don't know, you don't know. You know what I'm saying? That's it. Let me jump in the community real quick because I heard some dings, but I was so focused on these markets, right? Focus on these markets.
Being locked in is definitely valid. You had a crazy day today.
Facts.
Who had a crazy day?
You.
Fellas, that wasn't crazy. You'll know when it's crazy.
Hey, it was this way. It's a great start to the year.
Oh,
Very
it
extreme.
is definitely the best start of the year, but that was not a crazy day for me.
I'm humbled.
The craziest day I've had in one day, I made like $9 grand.
Dang.
That's actually pretty crazy. I think I've only ever done like, because I don't really shoot like too far in for like defenses, but I think my best day ever was like 4 to like 5,000 or something.
Hey, on paper.
No, that's solid, bro. That's solid.
Okay.
But I usually just take my like 500 to like 1,000 and just call it.
No, I do the same. So and this is one of my things, right? For me personally, I can make so much more. There's that bear flag I was talking about. Like, just saying, and we're below the pivot. Just saying. I don't know who keeps calling these plays, but whoever's doing it, they're doing really, really well. But anyways,
I'm doing good.
like for me, if I trade a little bit more, like I make more. That's literally all it is. So like normally I'm content with my $1,000 a day. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm good with that. That's a base hit for me. So I'm content with that. But if the market's going to keep paying, might as well take it.
Yeah, thanks.
So not only did we have a bear flag on the 2-minute, look at the bear flag on the 5-minute as well.
I'll take a little bit on that one. You know, plus the 3 and plus the big.
Izzy, exactly. Why not, right? Our lowest package for the community is $20. And if you can't do that, that's okay. Just come to these live streams and learn this way. I'm giving free game on the tube. And my game pays. Trust me, it pays.
Yo, check this. They're up 28 on the day. I only have 167 left to pass.
Awesome, bro. Awesome. Size down. Size down.
Oh yeah, dude, just size down. Honestly, with that much, especially with today's market condition, I would just do that on a micro because with one contract today, I made like $800. So you can definitely lose a lot with one contract if you get wrong bias on your trade.
Yep. Like I said, I'm glad we're back to the volatility, people. Like I thrive in volatile markets. When it's slow and just like dinking and dunking, I'm like, man, this is painful. But when it's nice volatile ups and downs, your boy cashes out.
I appreciate you guys.
So what today on the day, my journal should be updated now. Let me come over here and refresh. Let's see what we got here. Still hasn't updated yet. Yeah, I know that's. Is that not? Yeah, that's not updated yet.
I got lunch today with one of my neighbors down the street from where my grandparents live. He was walking his dog the other day. He's like, "Hey, I thought you were here." He's like, "Let's get lunch sometime." I don't know if he's got family that visits him or not, but he's known me and my siblings since we were like knee high to a duck.
Okay.
Great gentleman, so looking forward to that today.
Enjoy it, bro. Enjoy it. So up for the day, $6,400.
Right. That's legendary.
And the way this market's just paying people today, I'm like, Do I? No, I'm gonna call it. I'm not gonna trade it anymore. Because I could make today a 10 grand day very easily. But honestly, I secured a payout on one of my fundeds today.
Let's go.
I'm pretty close. That's why I'm like slightly tempted to trade one of my fundeds right now. Just to get that past. Well, not past, just past the 3,000 mark for another payout. Let me rotate. Let's see. Let's see how far I am, because with these market conditions, they are what I like. So like I have one of my fundeds, right? I literally need less than $600, less than 600 for a payout on that one. Tempting.
I would say if we get another clear setup, go for it. If not,
Yeah, I'm
You did well.
rotating over to it just in case. And I'm gonna size down as well. 2 contracts, nothing crazy. And we wait. If we get a move, we get a move. If not, oh, put that back on the screen there. If we don't, we don't.
Alrighty, my guys. I think that I'm gonna have to call it, and I'm gonna go meet up with some people and have lunch. So
Go have fun, bro.
enjoy the
you
rest
guys
of
all
your day,
have
bro.
a
I should be
good
getting
rest
off these markets too, to be real. But we're gonna see if we could get $600 real quick.
All right, Thomas.
All right. Have a good one.
Alrighty, thank you guys. You guys have a good rest of your day.
You
I'm
too,
probably
bro.
going to stay until like 11:30. 11:30. If we get a nice little move, I'm going to take it. If not, it is what it is. And we'll come back Monday ready to execute. Want to see some clean momentum. Clean momentum right now.
I already did like
Come on, market. Give me something. Let's get below this 6 target here. That target is currently at, well, we just went right through it, so don't worry about it. That's right around the 352 area. Times changed. They all have their pros and cons. I love futures. This is the Nasdaq. It's like putting lightning in a bottle. And with my strategy, it simply prints money for me. So we're coming down to this pivot point. I want to get below this pivot. We have not broken my yellow line on the chart. If we break the yellow line with momentum, your boy's going to jump back in here. Try making an extra 600. There's the pivot tab. Let's see if we get follow through. No follow through yet. Dancing on this pivot. Do not jump in when it's dancing on the pivot. Just saying. Don't get chopped up here.
Facts.
Still dancing, people. No reason just to rush the process. Patience gets you paid. You make money fast at trading, but if you don't have patience, you'll lose money even faster. Trust me. My music. Where'd it go?
Music's been a vibe today.
You know what I'm saying? I'm trying. We leveling up in every area, even on the playlist. You know what I'm saying?
How'd it happen? Oh,
Back to the pivot. All right, there we go. So I'm not liking the dancing. I'm not liking the dancing on the Rinko bars right now. That's why I'm not gone short yet. And if we don't get the move, we don't get the move.
yeah. Stood up for him.
Because on this 2 minute, yeah, looking at my 2 minute, we're sitting right above this pivot. I'm not liking how we're reacting around this pivot point right now. So
Trying to like consolidate around that spot for a little bit. For the move either to the down or upside.
Yep. We do have that buying wick on the bottom of that candle on the 2 minute. But we want clean momentum, people. Clean momentum. All right, we're getting ready to engulf that previous candle. Let's see if we clear that previous candle wick. There we go. Just cleared it.
Close above it.
That they haven't sent me where I'm going yet, and usually they would tell me tomorrow. And they were like, "You're staying. That more than likely I'm gonna stay here." So I said, "Okay, well as of the 5th, I'll be meeting a place." So they said, "Okay, we're looking into it now." So,
I need less than 400 bucks now. Less than 400. I should have stayed. Just add some more to this account.
Yeah, get some per diem, have my own place, you know, where I can have my stuff and the girls will come over here. And
Such a hard life, Carmona. Such a hard life, brother. I'm not overly bullish right now because this could be a fake. That's why I'm not like, I've already made the money for the day. Officially over $2,000 in the funded accounts today.
So this is just consolidating at the moment for a bit. One that I want to watch. He was like a range trader, and these chop zones, he would be like flipping quickly in and out. I'm like, I don't even know how you're doing this, right? He's like, I'm a scalper. I'm like, yeah, a stressed out one.
I
can't.
I scalp as well, but I scalp off flags.
Yeah, dude, he was trading this, like going up, then get out, going out, then get out. I was like, I can't.
Time. What's a good futures profit? I trade with Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, and Lucid Trading. Those are like the top 3 I would trade with, being honest with you. Tradeify, they have daily payouts now as well. Take Profit Trader, they have daily payouts as well. Lucid does not, but they have fast payouts and no subscription. You pay one time and you're done. No activation fee or anything like that. Is this going to be the fake?
Wait, how many days? I forgot to. I don't like the rules in a bit. But how many days until you can take a payout for Lucid?
For Lucid?
Yeah. Once you
It's
pass
5
your
days.
eval. Okay.
Yep. But what's cool with Lucid, once you pass the eval account, you can activate it 5 to 15 minutes later. And you start trading your funded account during the same session. So that's pretty cool that they can do that.
If I pass today, come back Monday, and have a payout by Friday.
Yeah, technically you could do that. That's why I was trying to get all my payouts today from Tradeify. So by next Friday, I could put all the money back in and take another payout on all 3.
That'll be dope.
But the way it's looking, dude, I probably won't request. I can already request on 1 today, but I'm not going to. I'll probably just wait till Monday or Tuesday so I can get all of them on at the same time. And I just won't trade that account until I pull that payout out. That's what I do. Once I get them passed for the payout, I won't trade it.
That's smart.
Listen, I ain't trying to give money back. You know what I'm saying? Like, no need to do that. Looking like a small little bull flag. But we have these wicks on top of these candles. That's why I'm like slightly hesitant. Moving Mountains, what's up, bro? What's up? How's your day going? How are you doing in the markets today? Yeah, we still got these selling wicks. That's why I'm not trying to go long right now. Awesome, bro. Congrats. Congrats. I'll be getting off here in about like 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. I'm looking for a move. If the move doesn't happen, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Because a move potentially could happen right around like 11:30 possibly. That's why I'm kind of waiting till 11:30. See if we get some good momentum. Up $800. That's awesome, bro. Congrats. Are you in the community, sir, or no? Because if you are, put in the discussion, because that's where everyone puts their wins and losses, so we all could congratulate and uplift when needed. Come on, Betsy.
This girl just sits in front of the heater.
Okay. Well, I remembered your name. That's why I wasn't sure if you are in or not. Well, hopefully you enjoy these live streams. And appreciate everyone tuning in. Last night we did over 4,000 views last night on last night's stream. Tonight we got another Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure you guys tune in. We're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna give away tonight. This is what I'm planning on doing each night for the trade. 1 free membership to the community per night. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. Lots of selling pressure still up here, people. Lots of selling pressure. To me, this looks like a weird looking bear flag. There's 11:30. Oh, Brenda said not per night. You know, she's telling me not to give 1 membership away per night. You know what I'm saying? Baby, today we're up in the fund. It's over $2,000 today, baby. But total for the day over like close to $7,000 for the day. This is the Nasdaq, bro. Nasdaq.
Hey Google, what's the temperature today in Apopka?
It is currently cold. No, I'm playing. Ule, my brother. Welcome, bro. You're jumping in when I'm getting ready to jump out. You can't hear me. That's not good. Well, everyone else can hear me, so it has to be on your end. But love all you guys. I'm gonna see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout. Come vibe up with your boy in the Legacy family. We're gonna be laughing, joking, talking about the markets and everything in between. So with that being said, stay safe in the markets, people. Don't do anything crazy. And I'm gonna be jumping off of your Legacy market makers. Are you guys trying to stay on, or are you guys getting off? Because if you're trying to stay on, I'll leave the Zoom live with one of you guys, so you guys can stay in.
I'm gonna hop off because I need to get ready to go have lunch.
All right. Well, anyone else staying, or everyone's leaving for the market makers?
I think everybody's leaving.
Oh, Izzy's
Going
yep.
to the gym.
Everyone's getting off, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna close out the Zoom call. Market makers, appreciate you boys. Love y'all.
Thank you, Duane. Appreciate you, bro.
Thank you.
Always.
Great work.
Ready
Duane.
for
Duane.
tonight. Ready for
All right, you
tonight.
guys.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. See you later, boys.
Yeah.
For the YouTube, for you guys. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in, liking, subscribing. We're done. We're done making money today. Bruh, I'm glad you like the Traders Hangout. Definitely join the New York session, because this is when we make the money, right? We talk about it for the Trader Hangouts, then we execute during these live sessions in the morning. Literally, we print money. We print money, people. See you guys tonight. Stay safe in the markets for everyone still trading. And let's hang out tonight. Be blessed, everyone.